Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we have got this Liberex MS100 Sonic Power Toothbrush. It retails under £20, that's around 25 in US dollars. Now I've heard of the Liberex a couple of times. In fact, they're most commonly known for facial cleansers and electric hair trimmers, etc. So I'm wondering, will this electric toothbrush be a premium product? Let's have a little look, shall we? So this particular toothbrush indeed is in black, but also comes in white too. The box contains one super small detail, user guide and setup manual, one charger stand with USB plug, 4 brush heads, and finally the main Sonic toothbrush body, which looks very modern looking, with the gloss black finish and slight chrome lining detail. This toothbrush is made of ABS plastic. It does fashion these ridges on the back for extra hand grip. The rechargeable battery usually takes 10 hours for a full charge, which should get you around 2 weeks with regular use. That charging is simply done by inserting it onto the stand base. That in turn, this toothbrush will indicate charging and fully charged via the LED lights here just at the bottom. On the front of this electric toothbrush we have a soft rubber feel with the power and mode selection button, which consists of clean, whiten, polish, gum care and sensitive modes. Looking at the toothbrush head, it's made from tooth wave dupont nylon bristles to help get into those hard to reach areas. The head is easily fitted to the toothbrush body by simply aligning the brush head straight and pressing it down firmly. And yeah, it's good to see it doesn't have a twist on head that I've seen in most cheap bargain shop electric toothbrushes. So while using this toothbrush, the Liberex Sonic Vibration toothbrush is ideal for adults and teenagers. It has a 2-minute timer with a stop-start 30-second interval reminder, which will help by reminding you to spend time on 4 sections of your teeth. This electric toothbrush also produces, wait for it, a whopping 48,000 brush strokes per minute. Wow! Which I've only ever used a Sonic toothbrush that consists of 40,000 brush strokes. That's good. And let me tell you, I've got sensitive teeth. Yeah, I've got a sweet tooth. And this toothbrush did a great job, especially with that interval timer. Also, with the polishing and whitening and massage combo modes, I noticed huge differences in my daily brush routine, as I felt more focused on brushing rather than brushing for 40 seconds and rushing off. And I must say that morning and night cleaning as well was more consistent. So yeah, I've been a good lad.
You've been a good boy.
Of course I am, I'm always good, me. So yeah, usually I test products over 3 days, but as this toothbrush has a long battery life, I wanted a true test. And I'm pleased to confirm that I did get past the initial 2 weeks that was indicated earlier in this video, as that part of the video was filmed weeks ago. I got to 2 weeks and 5 days with continuous use. So not bad, 5 days more than indicated on the instructions too. I will add that this MS100 is indeed waterproof. I do love how modern and premium looking this toothbrush looks in whole, and I simply can't fault it. Now I don't know if round toothbrush heads can be bought for this model toothbrush, but then I will add that there are aftermarket universal heads that you can buy from various places across the internet anyway. I do certainly recommend this product, and if I was to rate this Liberex toothbrush today out of my usual ratings out of 10, then I've got to give it, and for the second week running, we've got another 10 out of 10. Wow. Now, stay tuned for my next product rating this week, and please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. I'll be truly grateful for that. I'll leave a link for this toothbrush in the video description right down below where you can go and buy it. So yeah, go get yours. And while you're there, please smash that like button. Go ahead and support us by subscribing. And after that, make sure you click that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you all in that very next video coming soon. Thanks for watching, keep brushing your teeth twice a day, and peace!